Good morning, everyone. I'm Deepa Devarmani, lecturer, Department Science and Humanities. Today, I'll be teaching you all your fourth unit, that is Rendezvous with a Human Corporate Giant. Rendezvous is nothing but it is a meeting or a talk which is arranged at particular timing. Introduction. Life lesson about her success. To be a mother or a wife or an execute, struggle between traditional and modern views. Introduction. This interview has been taken place by Nandan Neil Kelly and Indira Nooyi, where Nandan Neil Kelly has arised certain questions about Indira Nooyi. So let us look who is this Indira Nooyi. And this corporate giant word is nothing but it talks about the India's top business women in the 50s and 60s. Okay, how the women have come up where there was a male dominated society, and they have come up with the struggles with the support of their family, and they are the topmost business women in the world. Same way, Indira Nooyi, who was born on 28th October 1955 in Chennai, she is presently leading a president of PepsiCo company and food beverages company in the world. Let us look about Indira Nooyi. Indira Nooyi was born on 28th October 1955 in Chennai. Her mother threatened her to get married at the age of 18 and wanted to become a PM of an India. Her father was an executive in a state bank. She got married to a Raj, a very supportive and sounding broad friend. She learns from her mother that the primary work is to be a wife and a mother. She becomes a president of PepsiCo, and her name appears to be Fortune most powerful women's list. Life lesson. Indira's Indira Nooyi's mother always gave importance to the family. When Nooyi becomes the PM of PepsiCo, she goes to home happily to convey some glad news about her mother and ask her mother to fetch some milk. But Nooyi says that her husband was free at home. Her mother says that she did not wanted her son-in-law to be get disturbed. Her mother advises Nooyi to leave her crown status in the car garage and ask her to play a woman's role by being a wife first and mother next. Yes, I agree with Nooyi's mother. Here, there will be one situation where she will be selected in the Fortune Most Women's list, and she was wanted to share that good news to her mother. As soon as she went home and she was wanted to say that good news, her mother told her to get some milk. She was surprised by telling, and she also said to her mother, your son-in-law in the sense Indira Nooyi's husband was there in house. Why didn't you tell him? She says he's son-in-law and I can't put him any work and I can't disturb him. Then she says, whatever the crown which you're wearing, that you are a CEO, keep that crown in your office only. Most importantly, you give importance to a primary role of any woman is to give importance to her family, and family should be the first role. Next, to be an executive. With this, Nooyi agreed, and she says, whatever the businesswoman I am because of my mother. If my mother wouldn't prayed for me for 4 to 5 hours, I couldn't be the CEO of this company, she says. And here she also says that where she has born and brought up, it is from traditional family where girls were not getting proper education, and the main intention of every family that time was to be her child should get married at the age of 18, and her grandfather's wish was that whatever the granddaughters wanted to study, let them study, let them learn. Though her mother threatened her to get married at the age of 18, but she fulfilled her dream to become the business woman. About her success. Nooni's mother, yes, Nooni's mother has contributed to success. She was a typical Indian woman and had influenced her daughter to get good marks and had an ambition for her daughter to become the PM. She prayed 4 to 5 hours a day for her family, and she encouraged Nooni in every step and wanted her to be a wife and then the mother. So the most important why the Nooni God succeeded is just because of her mother. She says, my mother prayed for myself 4 to 5 hours whenever I would be sitting there while meeting. My mother prayers were there back of me, and my mother always forced me to step to me, and she was wanted me to become a wife and then the mother and then the business woman. Second success behind her is her husband. Her husband was more than the best friend for her. She used to discuss everything with her husband. He has been more than a husband, a sounding broad friend, she says. Without his support, she couldn't have achieved this position. So she's giving true credit to her family. That is, one is for her mother and next is for her husband. Next question he asks is her to be a mother or a wife or an executive. She says, Nooni says that her mother was a stereotypical Indian mother running after her kids, giving snacks, but Nooni had to balance her time as a role of a wife, mother, and executive. She slept only for 4 hours and felt as though she slept for 6 hours, and that's how she managed her time. Her, mo- her mother wore sari always, but Nooni is an executive that doesn't like to wear a sari. So she herself decides every movement in a time if changing is going to be a mother, wife, or an executive. Though she is not an she says here, I'm not an great mother, but I'm an okay mother where my children should be proud of me. She doesn't run behind her children like stereotypical mother, putting asking for the breakfast, snacks, etc. She hardly goes to her children's school to see the sports. She never goes to the meetings, but she sleeps hardly 4 hours a day. But too, she is managing the time. She says, I have to look after everything. Her mother wore sari, but she is an executive, and she also says that her, she herself decides every movement of her time, like whether she is going to be a mother, to be an executive, or to be an wife. Lastly, she speaks on struggle between traditional and modern views. Indira Nui is a modern lady where her mother was a traditional woman. So, according to the Indian tradition, woman had an important role to play in the family. She has to be a wife first and a mother next. She had to look after the children and husband. But Nooni says she manages time well and tries playing a three role at different places: a wife, a mother, and an executive. Hence, she doesn't like wearing a sari while plays a role of an executive. She sleeps only for 4 hours when she is at home. Hence, she plays all three roles and manages her own time. So she should be the example to all the women in this country. Like, first give importance to the family, your children, and then to an executive. She is top one CEO or a president of the PepsiCo company, yet she follows that traditionality, and she plays a three important role in her life. She decides how I should be as a wife, how I should be as a woman, how I should be as a mother, how I should be as an executive. Though she loves her company so much, she loves more to her family, she says. With this, last chap I end your this chapter. Thank you.